And that's another big thing of the little Bitcoin book is the centralization usually leads to some kind of incentive imbalance. No centralized organization at scale, whether it's a government or a big company, is incentivized to they're incentivized to do what's good for them, which is not always what's good for everyone else. And so to your point about censorship, and Trump was trying to get rid of he wrote that executive order to get rid of I think it was like 1996, whatever that law was, that sort of is supposed to protect tech companies from responsibility what's posted on their platforms. And I actually fear that's going to have the reverse effect.
The MCA Section 230.
What do you think about that? I mean, do you think that's going to have the reverse effect and now they're going to come down even harder?
I don't know if the president has the right to just write an executive order to do that, but I also think that big tech in our country has too much power, and we were told that it was going to be these open platforms where everyone could participate and say what they wanted, and some of it I don't agree with, some of it you don't agree with, but they were going to be open platforms, and they've kind of disingenuously morphed into censorship machines. And there's a real chance that in the wrong hands, that technology can be used for harm, for hurting democracy, for affecting elections in negative ways. I don't know enough about the law to know whether that DMCA 230 section can be applied, or if it's the right way to bring about change. But it does seem to me that if you are a tech company that's had this special privilege of being immune from libel and other suits for disinformation, if you start editing things and you then become the arbiter of truth, you're no longer a platform, and you do become an editor.